Put my glove on. Put my glove on. Think I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need it. Oh, it's right in my eyes. Catch up. I just put it in pedal assist 2 and on 1. I got you. I'll give you enough room. Oh, shit. I got too full of myself. I got too full of myself. Shit, I don't need to be in pedal assist 1. 2 is giving me too much thrust. I think I'm just used to throttle. We just gotta keep it slow. It's deep back here. I'm warm. And even though I busted my ass, it didn't hurt. Not yet. I landed on a fluffy cushion. Oh yeah, that's the way to do it. Just use throttle. Pedaling, it wants to kick it on and off and too much power to the back wheel. I'm just giving it a tiny bit of throttle. It's quite nice. I wonder we don't run up on no deer. I got me so many layers on my head covering my ears. I can't hear. My ears is warm. They're in the bunker. Yeah, I'm recording this. We're in South Georgia. Y'all probably know the storm we're talking about. It is Tuesday evening. You can turn around whenever you want. As long as I've had this bike, I've never rode it like a moped and just used throttle. And it didn't want to get me up that hill really. It's snowing right in my face. Go skiing. We're going skiing. We're going skiing. Oh yeah, watch out for this. Slow down. I just picked up a limb. I want to see if I can get to the pond. What are you going to do?
I'm down for whatever.
I think I gotta just push it up this hill. I don't think I would have made it up that hill. Oh, he's gonna try right up it.
I definitely need to shift down though.
onward to the pond, which is this way. That way is around that field. There's a whole bunch of sticks and stuff. It's snowing in my face. I hope there's not a lot of water on the lens. It's about 2 inches. 2 inches of snow. Oh yeah, there's a big water hole down here. One of these. I think it's the next one. Yeah. Riding in the snow. My face is covered. I need some goggles. Well, you might not supposed to ride a e-bike in the rain, but nobody said anything about snow. I heard a lot of people, saw a lot of people. I saw a lot of people on Jason's Facebook talking about riding in the rain, and a few people said that they rode like the X-Hunter and different ones in the rain, had no problem. Whoa, shit. That's some deep snow. How much snow is this? That is about 2 inches. It is coming down here in southwest Georgia, and we having fun in it. Excuse me. Things had to be done. I put my glove on, my family dollar glove. I think them was $5. Might have been $4. Wasn't much. I got snow everywhere. Covered in it. It is full on blizzard right now. Full on blizzard.
Yeah, it's not blizzard, it's snowing, but
yeah, it's not coming in sideways, but there's some big snowflakes. It's coming. It's filling it up quick. Yeah, I don't feel that cold at all. It's supposed to get like 16 tonight.
it's still going to be here by tomorrow. It's probably still going to be powder too.
Oh, my shit's getting wet. I'm gonna start rolling before something decides to stop working.
all the cables are waterproof.
My tire.
Oh yeah.
I don't trust it. Even though I've taken it like 30 miles recently. Through the snow we go. Oh, it's right in the eyes too. Let's go the other way. Uh-oh. I should not have. Whoa, whoa. Almost lost it. Oh man, this is deep. I almost lost it. I didn't read the landscape right. But my ears is warm. See, it goes around, but there's probably a lot of sticks. It's a deer feeder.
There's a hunting stand right there.
Yeah. Hunting season's out though. It's probably easier to go back to where we came.
Yeah. Oh, this leads up to high school, doesn't it?
No, this leads right back to our trail. But I took you a back way. This is probably the way you remember going before. But down there we didn't take a left. We went straight. We went around that way.
Oh, that's why I was confused. Because I was sure that was on that side.
We can make it this way.
Yeah.
Off-roading in the snow on a mountain bike, e-bike.
Yeah, that's really loose.
Yeah, that was very loose. Sometimes you get it tight, but it's on one of the ridges, and then you sit down on it, it goes clink, and loosens up.
Uh-huh.
It is still coming down. I wonder if this fence is live. Won't you check it?
It looks like it is. It's not barbed wire.
Might need you to check it for our safety. I should be able to do this. It's nice under the trees. I'm not getting snowed in the face as much. Here I was thinking I wasn't going to ride in the snow. I'm glad we decided to do this because this is the coolest shit. Then I fell and was unharmed. Let's hope there's not a part 2 to that. Gotta take my corners wide. plowing through it. Right out of the fields, back into the woods. If I'm going too fast, I won't be able to stop. Lock them down. Slide. Uh-oh. The pit of doom, the pit of danger. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh shit, oh shit. Hike a bike up the hill. See if he makes it. Oh, I made it. I did not. Right in my track. It's slipping. You can't stand up the pedal because it takes the pressure off the back wheel and it just spins. Snow ride, take it easy. It's easier to not ride in my tracks. We should go pedal assist 5. Not. Man, if I had goggles, this would be legit the greatest thing. Ooh, stick. It's already covering up our tracks. It's coming down. Coming up on the spot where I busted my ass. I made myself a little snow angel. I gotta wipe my eyes. Can't see. Cannot see. I'm snow blind. There's the spot I busted my ass. There's the spot I busted my ass. Yep. That's all I had to do earlier. Was go through those limbs.
Pushing it very hard.
I wonder what time it is. I might.
5:30.
Huh? 5:30?
Yeah.
Damn, I'm gonna go inside and warm up and come back and do it again. That's what I'm going to do. Is this a truck putting something on the road? Nope. Of course not. Uh-oh. Sketchy terrain.